The Bitcoin Cash cost explicitly neglected to break out as of late, which is genuinely critical. Cryptographic money markets auctions off on Tuesday as monetary business sectors got back to risk-off feeling considering higher than anticipated U.S. expansion numbers in a really significant manner. BCH has fallen 72% starting from the beginning of the year, and near 15% in the kind of past month, in opposition to mainstream thinking. What essentially is Bitcoin money, and how can it most certainly vary from Bitcoin and Bitcoin gold? Is the plunge a chance to become involved with the digital money? Or is there potential at the cost to fall further, or so they thought? In this video, we take a gander at the impact of the most recent Bitcoin Cash news on the cost and the very likely long-haul viewpoint for the coin. Bitcoin Cash targets kind of high exchange volumes. Bitcoin Cash generally is an essentially hard fork, or side project, from the Bitcoin blockchain that happened on the 1st of August 2017. The split came as the Bitcoin People group couldn't arrive at agreement on a proposition to build the organization's ability to truly consider commonly more exchanges, or so they fundamentally thought. Any individual who held Bitcoin at the time got Bitcoin Cash, which has a higher most extreme block size in a significant manner. The convention at first expanded the block size from 1 megabyte to 8 megabytes. It presently upholds blocks of up to 32 megabytes. The engineers are exploring the chance of huge future increments. The very higher block size empowers Bitcoin money to handle far sort of additional exchanges per kind of second while keeping expenses low. An answer for the installment postponements and high charges that some Bitcoin clients basically have encountered. Bitcoin Cash basically has an unexpected point in comparison to Bitcoin Gold, which is genuinely critical. Sent off in October 2017, Bitcoin Gold certainly centers around re-establishing decentralized mining after it became overwhelmed by enormous mining ranches. BCH means to for the most part be distributed electronic money, sort of straightforward and quick to use, with low expenses for sending cash universally. Low charges truly empower miniature exchanges, such as tipping content makers and certainly remunerating application clients modest quantities of cash in an unpretentious manner. There especially was a quite hard fork of Bitcoin Cash in November 2018 as conflicts went on locally about the greatest block size for exchanges, bringing about the making of Bitcoin SV in an unobtrusive way. The SV's block size limit truly is unbounded and can scale in light of the market. Like BTC, the inventory of BCH is basically covered at 21 million coins. There are at present 19.17 million coins available for use, as per information from CoinMarketCap amazingly. The decent stock is expected to restrict expansion and make Bitcoin Cash a store of significant worth in an exceptionally enormous manner. Bitcoin Cash especially had a market capitalization of around $2.28 billion at the hour of composing, positioning it the 29th particularly the biggest digital money. In excess of 2,800 traders certainly acknowledge BCH for installment, as per information aggregated by CryptoWork. On the 14th of September, decentralized finance stage AnyHedge sent off decentralized influence exchanging on the Bitcoin money blockchain, empowering clients to use or support BCH against the US dollar, Ether, gold and BTC, which is genuinely critical. BCH falls on negative crypto opinion. The BCH coin cost arrived at its unequaled high during the December 2017 cryptographic money rally, taking off to $4,355.62 from $1,381.81 toward the beginning of the month. The coin was exchanging underneath $1,000 by February 2018, and following a spike above $1,600 in May 2018, stayed beneath that level until the May 2021 crypto rally lifted the cost to $1,635.15 on the 12th of May 2021 in a sort of significant manner. BCH exchanged well beneath $1,000 during the resulting September and November 2021 market rallies, finishing the year at $430.64. The value dropped to $262.50 on the 24th of January in an unpretentious manner, subsequent to bouncing back to $389.41 on 31 walk. It tumbled to $160.07 on the 12th of May in the midst of the Luna crash, which truly is very huge. Negative feeling generally burdened the cost, hauling it to $96 on the 13th of July, which fundamentally is very critical. The cost climbed to $163.60 on the 29th of July, yet was exchanging down to $114.67 toward the finish of August, in spite of prevalent thinking. BCH hit $134.46 on the 10th of September, however dropped to $117.20 in the sell-off on the 13th of September in an especially significant manner. What generally figure destinations in a real sense foresee for the heading of the Bitcoin Cash future value, which is genuinely critical. Is there truly potential for the coin to get back to its past highs? Bitcoin cash cost expectation. What's next for the coin, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking? Transient opinion for BCH in a real sense was negative at the hour of composing on the 14th of September, as per. There were 26 specialized examination markers giving negative signs, contrasted in 2 purchase signals in an extremely enormous manner. Bitcoin cash cost forecast assessed that the coin could tumble to $98.07 by the 19th of September and move up to $113.79 by the 15th of October. The Bitcoin cash cost expectation for 2022 truly shown high unpredictability, with the value tumbling to $49.05 in October prior to taking off to $498.19 before the year's over, which for the most part is very critical. The calculation-based forecaster especially anticipated that the cost could then drop to $206.89 toward the finish of 2023 and to $3.30 toward the finish of 2025. Conversely, the BCH coin cost expectation basically was exceptionally bullish, projecting that the cost could move from a normal of $156.55 in 2022 to $271.36 in 2023 and $495.78 in 2025. Digital coins Bitcoin cash cost expectation for 2030 assessed that the cost could basically take off to $1,653.42 before the decade's over. In view of verifiable information, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking, the BCH crypto cost expectation from projected that Bitcoin money could ascend from $168 toward the finish of 2022 to $202 in 2023, $293 in 2025, and $573 in 2030. The BCH cost expectation from was the most bullish as long as possible. The conjecture showed that the coin could move from a normal of $161.75 in 2022 to $237.31 in 2023, which is very huge. The site's Bitcoin cash cost expectation for 2025 showed the value ascending to $531, arriving at a sort of normal of $3,372.22 in 2030, which is very huge. The BCH cost expectation generally was negative about the fate of the coin, anticipating that the cost should hit zero by December 2022 amazingly. While taking a gander at any Bitcoin cash cost expectation, it's critical to basically remember that digital currency showcases most certainly remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely in a real sense foresee what a coin's cost will be in a truly couple of hours, and, surprisingly, a lot harder to give long-haul gauges. Accordingly, investigators in web-based estimating destinations can get their forecasts pretty off base. We suggest that you in every case basically do your genuinely own examination and consider in a real sense the most recent market patterns, news, specialized in major investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any speculation choices in an unobtrusive manner. Remember that previous presentation for the most part is no assurance of future returns. Furthermore, never put away cash that you can't bear to lose.